this video I'm going to show you how you can register for an Oyster card online. Open up Google on your phone or PC and search register Oyster card online, and you want to click on this first website, TFL, Transport for London, and it's going to take us to this page. Now from here, if you don't have an account, you will need to create an account. So I'm going to click on create account and just use my email address here. And it's going to send us a code which we have to verify. So I'm just going to pause and come back. The next step will be providing your title here. So I'm just going to choose Mr. Ned Help, and the mobile phone number is optional, so we can just click on next. So you have to choose your country. I'm going to leave it as the United Kingdom, and you will then need to provide your postcode, your address here, which is going to be optional, but the street name is mandatory, and also the city and postcode. After you provide this information, you will click on next yet again, and this should walk you through the setup process. And once you have an account created, then it is going to let you buy an Oyster card and you will have successfully registered. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.